Welcome to our video on GPT, a powerful language generation model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we'll explain what GPT is, how it works, and some of its potential applications. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a machine learning model that uses deep learning to generate text. It's based on the Transformer architecture, which was introduced in a 2017 paper by Google researchers. The Transformer architecture is particularly well-suited for language tasks because it allows the model to understand the relationships between words in a sentence, regardless of their position. GPT is pre-trained on a massive dataset of text, which allows it to generate high-quality text that is often indistinguishable from text written by humans. GPT uses a technique called unsupervised learning to learn the patterns and structure of the text it's trained on. This means it's not given explicit instructions on what to generate, but it is able to learn patterns, meaning, and structure on its own. It's then fine-tuned on specific tasks, such as question answering, language translation, and text summarization. Closing. GPT is a powerful tool for generating high-quality text, and it has many potential applications in areas such as content creation, language translation, and more. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or would like to learn more about GPT, please leave them in the comments below.